Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to prevent Messenger from accessing your photos and videos. This quick update will help you protect your privacy and keep your personal media safe from any unwanted access. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions are managed. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or on some devices, it might say App Management. This is where you can see all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list and look for Messenger. Once you find it, tap on it to open Messenger's settings page. Here, you'll find options to control how the app behaves on your phone, including notifications, storage, and permissions. Now, tap on Permissions. This is the most important part because it's where you decide what Messenger can and cannot access. Inside the Permissions menu, you'll see a list of different access types like camera, microphone, location, contacts, and of course, photos and videos. Go ahead and tap on Photos and Videos. You'll see a few options here. Allow, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. Choose Don't Allow to completely block Messenger from accessing your photos and videos. Once you select this, the change will take effect immediately. That means from now on, the app won't be able to open or share media from your gallery unless you manually change the permission later. And that's it. You've successfully turned off photo and video access for the Messenger app. It's a simple step, but an important one for anyone who values privacy and wants better control over what apps can see on their device. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our tech tips and privacy tutorials. Take a few minutes to review other app permissions too. It's a great way to keep your data secure and your phone running smoothly. Thanks for watching.